For 4 years, I've been trying to figure out if I could ever catch anything in audio of their fast vibration and our slow vibration meeting. And I think I finally did. 71121 88,200 hertz 64 bit. There's a really weird sound. It sounds like a buzzing or a humming. Then I hear Joe Passon. I felt you. I don't know what part they were feeling, but I'm not trying to be funny about it. But here's the EVP. That buzz. So based on science, their vibration interacting with a slower vibration, there would be some sort of disruption. And that's what I think I'm hearing. My voice is very slow with increased frequency applied to the recording.